Now this thing is finally actually really starting to take shape, and I next want to do the front piece of this, which I think we can do in a slightly different way. Because this one doesn't have to be in clamshell draft, it's actually in side draft, we can do this in a slightly different way. Let's go ahead and go to Insert Components, New Part, same as always. Front plane, same as always. We'll rename this front nose. I don't know, I'm making up these names. I'm going to right-click that and save part in external file and hit OK. Same as always, we'll open that up, insert our master model, and hit OK. We just need the surface bodies and unabsorbed sketches. And we actually only need that big fuselage piece. We don't need any of these other pieces. So we'll just delete those out right off the bat, just to clear this all the way out. Now, the next thing is actually to trim back this surface a little bit. So let's go to our surfaces. We'll do a trim surface. We'll standard mode. We'll use this front guy. And this time we're going to keep the front nose cone of this. Hit OK. We're left with just that surface. And from here, I don't even need any of these sketches. So I'm going to hide the sketches as well, just to get those off my screen. And let's call this a nice, I don't know, purple color. And I'll grab the right plane, Features tab, Mirror, and under Bodies to Mirror, let's choose that surface body. And make sure to check the box for Knit Surfaces. Hit OK. That's going to merge that all together into one big round thing. Now, this one we're going to use a different method for making it solid because it does have an undercut, and it's actually going to be pretty straightforward to do. Let's go to our Surfaces tab. We'll do a planar surface right here and hit OK. We'll do another planar surface on the other side and hit OK. And then finally, let's just knit those together. We'll do knit this, this, and the back face. And make sure to check the box for Try to Form Solid. If you don't check that, this won't work. Hit OK. And now we have a solid chunk. And I know that this is solid and not just a closed surface body because over in my Feature Manager design tree, I have a folder called Solid Bodies, and this body happens to be listed underneath that folder. So I know this is a solid without a doubt. Next, I can go to my features and over to Shell. And once again, let's do a 3mm shell. And I'll just click the front face here, but also the back face. Hit OK. And that's going to hollow that out to 3mm all the way around. So I'm left with just the final part as I want it to be. Now, obviously, I'm going to need some mating features in here and stuff like that in order to be able to connect this with the rest of the design. But we're going to save that for later. Let's close this up, go back to our assembly. This thing is starting to take shape here. Really, all we're lacking is this back piece to have a pretty complete looking model. I'm going to hide the master model for a second here. And just for fun, let's go ahead and apply some materials to this, just because we're getting to the point where that's going to be a fun thing to do. Next, I'll edit that part, because I was editing that front nose part in context. We'll go up to that 8-inch subwoofer subassembly. Click on that appearance that we assigned, and click Remove Appearance. It's going to bring it back to its default appearance, which looks nice. Then I'll go over to my materials here. Let's go to my metal materials, expand that down. We'll grab a chrome, and I'll do a chrome plate on this front piece here. We'll do that for the entire front nose body. Oh, that looks sweet. Oh, so sweet. And then I think the idea was that the bottom of this would be chromed out too, so why don't we just, do it all the way. Let's go chrome all around, baby. Chrome it up. That's looking all kinds of crazy. I don't even think I like that much chrome. What a brushed chrome. How about that? I liked it better before. Yeah. Sweet stuff. Then we can go to, I don't know, let's go to painted materials here. We'll go to sprayed paints, car paints, how about? I'll grab a white car paint, drop it on here, in that top housing. That's looking so cool. Oh, that is so sick. All right, I can't wait to add some more detail to this. All right, let's move on.